when we started, there were multiple people that said, "You're wasting your time. You can't whip a landfill." And I mean, they would tell us it's impossible. And I would be like, "Well, I've never tried before, but I'm going to try."
We learned that there was a contract signed in 2005 by our fiscal court, allowing 42.9 million tons of waste and a 30-year contract.
Yes.
And now there was probably some 210 containers being transported into Boyd County via rail every day, coming into that landfill over there.
I smell the trash train coming, it's rolling round the bend, and I ain't breathed the clean air since I don't know when.
Until I knew what it was like to walk out my door and smell that, or to get in my car and drive down US 60 and smell it. I didn't have any idea how those people were living. And then once I started listening to their stories and we would go, I just felt I had to do something.
And these are the logs, notices of violations from the Department of Protection that were called in to the department. And this is 2013. This much right here. That's when the stench began to mature at the landfill and began to make that smell. And all of this is 2014 alone. This right here.
The state had an obligation to help protect the citizens of the Commonwealth. They tried to put it back on the county. The county tried to put it back on the state, and Enviro Solution the whole time just sat in the middle and enjoyed the volleying back and forth across the net, going to the bank every day.
But once we got Fitz on board and we identified that in 2005 that there had been a contract, there was a contract signed, it was illegal, it violated our constitutional rights because it was 42.9 million tons with 30-year contract, was not put out for bid. Once Fitz got that filed, he jumped on that. He realized that violated our constitutional right. So at that point, the ball began to roll.
What Fitz was able to do was to give our thoughts some real teeth and bring them into a legal format that forced action on the county and the state, who were parties in the landfill that were parties to the lawsuit.
At the end of the day, in November of 2015, the agreed order of judgment was signed.
Yeah.
And it virtually stopped all rail by waste coming into Boyd County. Tom Fitz brought that issue to the surface, and with his incredible legal expertise and kind of taking our board under the wing and helping us through this, he delivered to Boyd County just an incredible gift. Mm-hmm.